3:23 to go in the second period. 2-1 Biohazard. The Lightning just cut the lead in half. Oh, jeez, on goal. Paul screening the Lightning goalie, waiting for the pass. And that's a stop. Biohazard trying to get right back. Oh, back to Paul. No, Paul can't handle it. Cheese trying to go behind the net. As it's getting near that time of the year where Cheese starts to heat up and become Mr. Crutch. Would a Biohazard heat from the step up further tonight? Or was his one goal enough? There's still 17 and a half minutes of hockey to determine that as PPA leads the rush. Tries to get that one, the ball broken up. PBA working to Paul. Paul trying to do something. Back to Cheese. No, poked away. And Cheese can't even get the puck back to Paul. Two minutes, 2:05 to go in the second period. 52 winds and fires. And goes through Matt's legs, and we're tied at 2. And that's a Matt goal. Something that we haven't seen much of this last few months. But it's a 2-2 game. Biohazard has the tiebreaker over Goldschlager. Important thing to note, if the Biohazards do lose tonight's game, they could be facing the Ice Hawks in the first round. As Brent gets the shot stopped. If the Biohazards win this one in a shootout, which I believe they have played the Lightning in shootouts before in the last few seasons, then they might still end up with the Ice Hawks. That's one scenario I haven't accounted for. As Brent tries to tip that one in and a whistle. But either way, Biohazard is going to face either these guys or the Ice Hawks in the first round, as they have clinched their playoff spot. Minute 36 to go. Save shot, Achilles. Oh! Behind the net the puck goes. Achilles with it. Broken up. As the Lightning have fought back from a 2-goal deficit to tie this one up. Remember, their first matchup went back and forth a few times. Both teams want to go ahead and then tied right back up. I think the largest goal lead in that game was 2 goals. Ended up being a 5-4 final. That was a high stick by Achilles. Dave with the puck. Final 41 seconds to go in the period. That puck comes out. Sean's going to have it. And they're going to reset. 33 seconds. Sean gets it to Dave. First line cycles back on the ice for the Biohazards. Oh, cleared out. Uh-oh. One-on-one. Sean, nice play as he breaks away from 8. 20 seconds. And Sean might just decide to wait back there. If he can get a home run pass to Cole, no, that's going to be an icing. That's even worse. Don't forget the TD Bank Interest Report's coming up right after this. Last 10 seconds to play. Important face-off here. If the Lightning win this one, they can get a scoring opportunity right on the net there. And that could be bad. And that's exactly what happens. Oh, 44, whiffs on it. 3 seconds. Martin there to stop. 2, tie the net. And that's the end of the second period. The score is tied at 2. We'll be right back to TD Bank in the report right after this.